Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys for coming back to the channel to come show with me. Today we're going to be taking a look at the SOUL SYNC ANC earbuds. Now, we're going to be talking about top 5 reasons to buy the SOUL SYNC ANC earbuds. So if you're new to the crew, do me a favor. A big favor to the channel, both hit the like button and the subscribe button as well. I would appreciate, I definitely appreciate you for doing that. But we're going to be talking about some of the top 5 reasons to purchase these SOUL SYNC ANC earbuds, and I've been using these for about a week or so now, and I've really been enjoying these SOUL SYNC earbuds. So I kind of want to share my thoughts with you. Now, first is the packaging, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging that we're getting right here. So it says right here, we have the SOUL logo right here. The earbuds are here. I have them off to the side, but you can see it does tell you we do get active noise cancellation. We'll get into this in a little bit more detail, but you can see these are the earbuds right here. They look really nice. You can see we have a silicone tip right here, which will give you that seal that you need for the active noise cancellation. We also do have pogo pins right here, a microphone over here, and then we do have so we have 2 microphones on each one here and one here, and then, you know, they look really nice. So you can see it does offer that Bluetooth 5.1 as well as 25 hours with the case. But you get about 7.5 hours when you're listening to it at 75%. Now check this out. It does say that every soul has a story. The heart of every act, the reason why it propels every person, the running, the leaping, the dancing. It's behind every entrepreneur, the artist, the musician, the dancer, and athlete. The striving, the perseverance, overcoming. It gets you up early. It keeps you up late. It's the voice in your head that says keep going. So that message is crazy. You can see they have their web information right here, but it's just a really sweet packaging. You can see that they're telling a story here. It feels like, I feel like it's telling a story. I could relate to the story that they're telling here, which is crazy. I had those SL100s, you know what I mean, 10 years ago, the over-ear headphones. I'm trying to get this part off. I can't really get to it. So, but you basically, what you get is the ear tips, a Type-C cord. I just don't have nails to, oh, there we go. I don't know which way to take it off without ripping it. There we go. That's the way it's intended to go up. And then you have your, I was a little rough there. I do apologize about that. But you get your silicone tips. You get the large ones, and then you get the small ones. I have the medium ones still on here, and you could easily take these out of the case. The magnets are really solid on here. You get this thing that I could put onto my jeans. Really easy pairing as well. So if you're gonna be listening to, so the first reason is obviously the packaging. It's really sweet packaging. The second is these are like a matte finish. When you touch them and you feel them in your hand, I can't stress how crazy these feel in your hand when you're touching that matte case. It's not slippery, but it just feels really nice. Like anything matte, I fall in love with. So the packaging, the matte case, and then the third thing is that these have the 5.1 Bluetooth. So right, so let's say you go to pair these to a phone or something like that. You also do get Type-C for charging right here. Let me put this off to the side, but just beautiful packaging. Look at this. Hold on. Let me just open this up real quick. There's nothing in here, but it's just really good packaging. Like everything falls into place really nicely. You get the foam. This is foam. This is cardboard. This is plastic. I mean, it's not the best environment for the environment or whatever, but it's still a really good experience when you're opening it, and it's telling a story and things of that nature. So we get your ear tips here. So let's go ahead and pair these. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in my ear right now and kind of show you the pairing experience. So I said, I can barely hear what I'm saying. The ANC mode is on right now. So you could long hold the right one. And it says audio transparency on. And then all of a sudden, I'm able to hear my, through the earphones, I could hear my voice. When I had that off, I wasn't able to hear my voice. So that's another thing, is the audio transparency. When you want to talk to people, you turn on the audio transparency on these earbuds, and then you'll be able to talk to people, because I could actually hear through you. It's doing a little like a hissing, but it's not too, it's like white noise, but it's not annoying or anything like that. But you can hear your voice now more clearly. So let me hit the other option. And now I'm on normal mode. So now that option is taken away. I can't hear my voice no more like I was able to do before. Let me turn on the third option. Noise cancellation. So now it's really quiet. It's extremely quiet in here. Let me turn that off, back to transparency mode, so I can hear myself talk. Auto transparency mode. So this is the mode that you want to use when you want to talk to people. And so let me just show you what I'm talking about. So I have these connected to my device right now. And if you want to, I have these, you can see right there, you can hit this little tab here and it says that they have 100% battery and everything like that. Let's go to more settings. It does tell you that they have a SBS compatibility, as well as ACC as well. So, you know, that really nice sound quality that you'll be getting. And then if you want to game on these, you can game on these. So I just want to show you that. But the thing about gaming on these is that there will be zero latency when you're firing a gun. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna show you guys how the gaming is and everything like that. But the first thing that I like about these is the packaging. The second thing that I like about these is the matte finish on these. I could hear the game starting. And then the third thing that I like is basically the transparency mode. I'm able to talk to you guys right now and hear myself, even though the seal is in really tightly, it's blocking out my eardrum and everything like that. It still has this technology where it allows you to speak through that. So let's just go into a game real quick. I'm gonna play that real quick. So while that's loading up, so that's the third thing, is the transparency mode. And the ANC, let's say you want to be in a noisy environment and you don't want to hear all the white noise around you, the people talking, the cars, the horns, the sirens, the police cars. You can put on the ANC. So that's the fourth reason. But let's just jump into a quick game. I'm going to show you, like, if you can hear. I'm going to put the earphone to the microphone while I'm shooting the gun so you can actually see what I'm talking about. But you can see these are at 100%. And they pair up really quick. It has that Bluetooth 5.1. Like I said before, I'm not sure why it's taking so long to load this game. That's really weird. But it should be finished in just a second. So that's the fourth thing. All right, guys, so this is how it looks. I'm gonna put my headphone up to the speaker so you could hear me shoot the gun. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's how it sounds when you shoot the gun. Let me reload my gun. Let me see. All right, let me turn up the brightness a little bit. All right, so far the shots match every time I'm pressing, the shots are matching. So let me go over here, see if there's anybody in here. There's someone in here, so I'm gonna get him. Oh, dang. I ran out of bullets before I could get them. So that was pretty crazy, actually. That was pretty nuts. That was dope. Oh, that was crazy because he was just chilling behind the thing. All right, so yeah, this is matching 100%. There's no further test needed. All right, cool. So let's get out of here. So those are the 5 reasons, guys. So I just want to jump into the 5th one, which is the IPX4 that these have. So that means that you can basically sweat in these when you're jogging in the gym or something like that. And they're sweat resistant. So you'll get about 7 hours with the ANC. When you have it off the ANC, you'll get about, 9 hours, but when you have it on, you'll get about 7 hours. So that's why I like these earbuds, is that the battery lasts extremely long, 25 hours with the case. So the packaging is really smooth. It's really crazy. You get this matte finish, like I said before, and you get really nice pairing as well. They're good for gaming with the Bluetooth 5.1. You also get that AAC codecs and SBC codecs. So it actually is compatible with that. This strap on here is actually fire, that you could have that because they could just hang from your jeans or something like that. And then you're getting a really long battery life, as well as ANC and transparency mode. So you're able to talk really clearly with the ANC and with the transparency mode, not the ANC. But I'm gonna get right back with you. I'm gonna show up in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about these SOUL SYNC ANCs, and I'll get right back with you. But make sure you do me a favor, hit the like button if you haven't already done so, and I'll get right back with you. I'll meet you in the comment section right now. I'll get right back with you later, crew. Peace.